Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by the messenger. Steve. I'm not Tabile Brawa. Majita ba petse hantle. Ke rata papadi e ba petseng. Ha ke na complain. No complaint. I don't have complaint. Mamela, Thabiso Munyane o sebeditse too much ka morao ka da. I say Thabiso Munyane because Kunika na le diphosonyana tse nyane. But as for leadership ya Kunika, I like it because o dula abata Majita abelaine. So ke happy ka hore re troile today. I'm happy hore ha ga loser against Sundowns. Noise ne toba all over. Ne re tlo bua haholo. But I'm happy hore re troile Chiefs Sundowns. Ka o tshwalo Chiefs Intele ka udima Pirates ke yona ntwe nthabisa. Chiefs intele ka udima Sundowns ke yona ntwe nthabisa. And next game re tlo ba bontsha rena re tswa kae. Next game re tlo ba gagata hape re ntse re nyolowa one by one. Ke supporta Nabi Brawaka. Nabi o gutla wa hae ke thabile ha re a loser la ne re lositse ke batla mo jwetsa hore we are happy. But again ne ke kopa ke ikopela hore ha ba ba etse plan man ba ke ba kenye Vilakazi man Mfundo chincha game man Mfundo akakena in the field of play o chincha game ereke buwe hobane Pirates sena di points nyana ereke buwe ke next game ga ba shapa ama kosi for life thank you